Are you trying to accept money on your Cash App? If you are, then you've come to the right video because I'm exactly going to show you the process of it. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. Firstly, open up your Cash App. Once you open up your Cash App, all you need to do is tap on the timer icon that you see on the bottom right. This is your activities tab. So all of the activities that you've done on your Cash App will be visible. Along with that, you can also see all of your pending requests. Now all you need to do is tap on this accept option that you see. Once you tap on the accept, you'll again land on a second interface where you need to confirm the request. Tap on confirm and your request of Cash App will be confirmed and you'll receive the money on your Cash App account. So that was the easy process on accepting money requests on Cash App. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on that notification. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.